Alright guys, so we found these blue taper candles. They go perfectly with the color blue we have for our chiffon and other blue decor. So we're gonna get
so
these.
many colors here.
Yeah, look. They got these nice rope taper candles.
Yeah.
Too bad they're not the color we need, but
yeah, then they got the sheen
shiny
ones that we
metallic
like.
ones.
There's so many candles, guys, and right now all their candles and their candle holders are 50% off. There you guys go. Lots and lots of. I still recommend that you get some of these things on Amazon because they're a little cheaper. But I love these black ones.
Yeah.
So yes, we got some candles, you guys, because it's a blue nautical theme. There's even more candle holders. And even more. You guys, so many. So yeah, these are nautical.
Yeah.
But we don't need everything nautical.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you guys.
Let me see.
I really love.
we buy.
I love these.
What,
But
they
they only have one matte one.
that's
I
matte.
don't.
Wait,
Yeah.
what's this one?
Shiny.
Oh, that's shiny. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Never mind. All right.
On to the next aisle.
Yep. So these are the table placemats that we got from home. Hobby Lobby. They're not 50% off right now. Wall decor is, but you can wait until it is 50% off to come and get these. So definitely come back and get these if you need them. What else? What else? We just got 2 of these right here, pillar candle holders, and where my baby go? Right here.
I'm on the shelf. Are you gonna take me home?
Yes, you always coming home.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I like these beads here. These are nice.
Oh, they're nice and like.
And it's
thin.
50% off.
We got those things, you guys, so far.
Is it tied?
I think so.
Tied, yeah.
But you could probably bust that and then we light the end or something.
Yeah. Oh, look what Angie done found. She loves Christmas stuff, so look at her. Look at her. Oh, big Christmas balls. We ain't even coming for this. Christmas ain't until December, and they already got stuff out.
Trying to get it.
Yeah, so I like this though. I like the. I'm gonna do white and gold this year.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's your fun.
I'm not too late.
Too late for what?
Hold on.
Christmas?
I just have to phone a friend.
Your mama?
Yes.
Oh my God. She finna call her mom, guys, and
That's
tell
cool.
her that they got Christmas stuff here at Hobby Lobby. So,
I'm so excited.
yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Babe, come on, you can't tell me that.
I love Christmas.
all warm
Yeah, I
inside.
love.
Guys, I'm watching Christmas movies already with the
You know, we
cats.
don't even need a tree. We just need
Ornaments.
ornaments like this
Like
stacked
this.
up, you know,
Mom.
to the top like that.
She's so lame, I'm gonna take a picture instead. Because
Yeah.
I can't not document
Let's take a
it.
selfie. Oh, she answered.
Mom, you
She
answered.
answered. You hung up on her.
Look. Look, Mom. Look, Mom.
Okay, well, you see where she get that excitement from? Her mom. So, yeah. I just showing her mama the Christmas decorations. I'm about to show you guys the fabric that we need to get. So, yeah. We need some chiffon, baby. We need some chiffon. So, we're back. Alright, guys, so we found the chiffon. We're trying to see if we're going to get this color or I like these right here. I'm not sure. Is it like see-through?
Yeah, chiffon, so it's gonna be kind of sheer.
Or do you want like that linen?
Let's see if they have cheesecloth.
We gonna look around. We gonna see. Yeah, we gonna see, guys.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we are outside of Hobby Lobby right now. Angie went back in because the table candle holders we got were supposed to be 50% off. The lady charged us full price. One thing Angie don't play about is money, you get what I'm saying? So she went back in there to find out why the lady charged us full price for the candle holders, even though they're supposed to be 50% off. Yeah, I'm waiting for her to come in. There she go. She got it right, baby?
Oh yeah, I showed her.
Oh, okay.
They refunded you $32.
It should be in the video when she picked it up. She was like, ooh, these on a discount. These 50% off, we gonna get them. And we showed you guys the sign. So we was a little confused when we saw
I said it at the checkout. I was like, aren't these 50% off? And she was like, that's only for candles.
Yeah.
So I was like, that's what I was doing. I was going.
Yeah, checking it. Yeah.
I don't play games about money, y'all. You
Sorry about the
shower.
rain, guys. This Florida weather is crazy. It was just sunshine. The sky turned gray. We knew it was gonna rain, and Lord, behold, it started
I
to rain.
hope it's everything is.
Here you go.
I hope everything goes well for.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. I hope everything goes well for Saturday. I mean Friday.
Yeah.
Because our event starts on Friday and Saturday. It's like a whole thing, you guys. Hello, everybody.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Life with Angie and James.
I'm zooming awkwardly. It's your girl Angie.
It's your boy James,
and we're back with another video.
As you can see, we are out and about.
We outside. Come over here, babe. It's nicer this way.
All right, guys. So, like I said, we're at a nice little beach location, and as Angie put it, we are outside. We have a picnic today, so we're gonna take you guys to spend a day in the life of some luxury picnic planners. If you guys been watching us for a while, or at least for the past month or so, then you know like why this place is special to us. It's where you want to tell them what you want.
We had my birthday picnic right here, actually.
Right here in the same spot.
So now we're back full circle, now doing it ourselves. Yeah. But you guys, we're gonna try to get some filming for this. But honestly, guys, it's been raining all morning and it's been holding us back. So we actually now need to start setting up right now and do it fast.
I don't know if you guys can see the sky.
It's so bad, guys, but literally we're gonna like stop filming now. We're gonna try to get whatever we can, but we are gonna take you along throughout our day so you guys can see what we do. But we do need to start setting up because our clients will be here in an hour. You guys, we are now in the car. The first half of our day is kind of crazy. As you can see, we're all stuffed up here in the Mustang, so we're heading home. It's gonna take us a while, but then when we get there, we're gonna kind of relax for about an hour, you know, get things together for later, and then head all the way back here again. So, but it's worth it because we won't have to lug around all this stuff in the car, because what we have later is very simple. It's a very romantic, you know, hotel setup, rose petals, candles. We call it our nightcap. So
you love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
What's up, guys? It's the very next day.
Yes.
As you can see, we're on the road because we're heading back to our client's hotel.
Yes.
To pick up some of our things that we left there, you know, for their setting last night. It was a good turnout. The last thing we got from our client, the last text,
1.8 miles you going over.
Yeah, the last text Angie received was we're heading back to the hotel.
Yeah, because we were like, oh, your room's ready. You know?
And we're assuming
it was great.
Everything went good.
We never heard back.
So hopefully they had a great night. We hope they really enjoyed it. So
they deserve it.
Yeah, they deserve it.
We're so sorry. It's like every single time we plan to do a really like detailed video for you guys, James and I are gonna have to go.
Right.
I wrote on myself.
What you wrote on yourself?
With the pen. The pen stabbed me. James and I are gonna have to go do a mock setup or something like that in order for us to really do a detailed video on how we actually set up in our whole entire process. Cause we really want to give that to you guys. So sorry, like this video didn't end up being that.
At least y'all get to see what it looked like after. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah. This is honestly the day in the life. It's super busy as a picnic planner.
Yeah.
Like James said to you guys, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. So you always have to be prepared. For us yesterday, it was a huge weather issue, and that's why we weren't able to record all the content that we wanted to for you guys. But yeah, like, so everything was smooth after that. You know, we went home, kind of showered and refreshed a little bit, and then went back and was able to do the nightcap for them. And now we have a mighty drive.
Yeah, down to Miami Beach.
Down all the way to Miami Beach. to pick everything up. And oh, I want to say, if you guys, I mean, obviously, if you, we do charge a travel fee
there you go.
for anything 15 miles.
We be in sync, bro.
Like,
we be in sync.
But we do charge a travel fee for anything 15 miles outside of our area, which is Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And you guys, when you're charging your travel fees, you really, really, really want, like for us, if we did not take the express lanes all day yesterday, we would have never got there when we got there. Like, the traffic is ridiculous in Miami. You want to consider things like the express lanes, tolls, gas, things like that. You need to charge for. You need to.
And you also, like, for, like, I know, like, some hotels have, like, regular parking.
Yes.
But some hotels, especially in Miami Beach area, like Fort Lauderdale Beach, you have to, like, valet your car and everything.
We paid $33 last night for valet.
Yeah. They said 31 plus tax. They made sure they put that tax in there. And it ain't just 31 flat.
Yeah.
So it was like $33.50 I had to pay we had to pay for parking. So you want to make sure you ask your clients about that as well. Like if the hotel have valet parking or regular parking,
and keep your receipts.
Yeah, that way you know, okay, well, I need to charge a little bit more. Clean up crew. We packed everything up. I'm about to head back to our car and let the clients know that we got everything from front of the door. So yeah, we picked everything up. We're gonna put it back in our car. The clients really like put everything neatly in front of their yard.
Yeah,
in front of their door, so it was good.
For our pickup service.
Yeah.
So now we're just packing stuff up.
Yeah.
It's quite simple. Pillows. They put all the candles in this thing here. So all we gotta do is throw it in, y'all. We love this pickup method, y'all, because
It's
literally
amazing.
they put it out the door. You don't have to even, for people who are like socially awkward,
Yeah.
you don't even have to talk, guys. We're about to find some breakfast, y'all.
Yeah, we
hungry.
starving.
I was low-key looking at that Joe the Jungle restaurant right there. But yeah, you guys, so we'll be back.